It's just like refusing to become fall. It is so hot. Well, it's like 80. Oh, I'm literally in my pajamas going to rehearsal. The Rhapsody Blue concert was last night. Welcome to my life. It's time to Shibui. Feel like doing what I'm about to do. It's a really rainy day. I'm really tired. I just took a nap. But tonight we're going out on a Monday. I know. We bought these tickets a while ago before I knew how hectic this month was going to be. We're going to see Agnostic Front, a New York City hardcore band, open for Rancid, a punk rock band. I am excited, I am looking forward to it. It's just not what I feel like doing right now, but I am still kind of coming out of my depressive episode. I don't really care if I end up looking like a punk rock girl because I'm not trying to be. And I think that is the most punk rock thing I could be right now. It was between like one social activity or another. I'd rather go to a live music show because music just does something to my energy field that just balances and heals, and it brings my vibration up. Tomorrow morning I have to leave the house slightly before 8 o'clock, ready for a concert that's not going to happen until 7:30. Yeah, I'm going to cause it tomorrow. I'm not passing up an opportunity to see Rancid. They are one of the bands that was like incredibly formative, and I'm meeting a couple of Colin's friends there, so yet again I get to hang out with a bunch of old men. When I get there, I'm gonna buy the tour t-shirt and wear that. So I'm literally gonna buy my outfit there. That's what I did for the Pixies, it's what I'm gonna do for Rancid. Then at least I'll fit in and I won't look like a poser.
Be afraid of me. So to win y'all back, this next song goes out to Bobby Orr, number 4. I'm applying for my mass hold-ship. I'm applying. Will you guys accept me, please, for being a masshole? I promise on this box of munchkins to be loyal and serve the Sox, the Bruins, and the Pats. I won't. For all you motherfuckers, this one's called Time Bomb. You wanna make a move, then you better come in. The pillar is the reason I've been so dead. Living and dying, storage of a tomb. See what you collapse, know when you're good. Like on my shoes, I got Cadillac. Yeah, the poison time bomb. It's but a crime. She know it's all the nothing guy. He's running in the Cadillac and then they serve her for them. These are they got the earth. The biggest crime. Like on my shoes, like I got my head. The poison time bomb. Like on my shoes, like I got my head. The poison time bomb. Alright, turn back down, ugly motherfuckers out there. Thank you for your time, your patience, your voices, your applause. This one's called Ruby Solo. Records are breaking, climb through my bedroom wall. Have a party up next door, take it all wrong. Two lovers in the bedroom.
Live on the edge. Right now the meter maid is across the street, about to write me a ticket. Tow truck is ready to go. I got 9 minutes before street cleaning begins. But I am ready for the day. We've got a concert today. I can't dawdle though, I really do have to get outside. After Rancid last night, don't feel like doing it. This performance is brought to you by caffeine. To seek, to find, and not to yield. Not to Yesterday, I had a rehearsal from 9 to 11. Then I worked from 12 to 5. And then I left work in an Uber and had a concert. it's been like that, and it's going to be like that for like a solid 2 weeks. Just like rehearsal, work, and then rehearsal at night, and then on the weekends more rehearsal and more performances, because I'm also trying to be more full-time at my job. Safe to say, I think I've taken on too much. Colin agrees. Speaking of Colin, we haven't had any real FaceTime for like weeks, it feels like. It's just a cycle of rehearsal, work, performance, rinse and repeat. So right now we're like smack in the middle of it all, and I am feeling tired, I'm feeling burnt out. On the other hand, I'm more prepared than I've ever been, because among the rehearsals and performances and work, I'm also practicing a ton. I have no life. I've done a terrible job at vlogging and telling you what I'm doing, mainly because I don't even know what I'm doing. I haven't been able to look past like one day at a time. It's really stressful. I just got home though, but I'm not done, because I have to teach a lesson at 7 o'clock over Zoom, and then I have to practice for a dress rehearsal that's happening tomorrow for a concert that's happening the next day. I knew it was gonna be like this. Booked and blessed, I guess. I've been like killing myself trying to like get to all these things, but also work. Cause like in the past, I wouldn't have gone into the office as much as I am, but I'm trying to like step up and be a good worker. I've locked and loaded. Hi. I've done a really bad job at vlogging this week. I've done a lot of stuff, and I haven't filmed most of it, but let me get to where I'm going and we'll have a discussion. I was banking on having more light for this segment, but this is what we've got. I just pulled into the parking garage. I'm super early, which is great news, because yesterday I was not super early. It took me an hour and 15 minutes to go 5 miles. Tomorrow I have a performance, and the day after I have the same performance, and it's all pieces about birds. So this weekend, we're gonna put a bird on it.
Put a bird on it!
The first concert is gonna take place in Cambridge. It's with the Juventus New Music Ensemble. The pieces are so beautiful. They're not birdie in a cliche sense. They're just birdie in like a soaring sense. Oh, there's our percussionist. I hope he doesn't see me vlogging. And we're going to the Parker River Wildlife Refuge. We're playing a concert in a popular birding spot. I think in a former vlog I called this my depression outfit, but it's really just like a low effort outfit. It's my pixie shirt. It's gonna make an appearance in every weekly vlog because I wear it once a week because it's so comfortable. I'm being judged on my playing. It's not a fashion show. Did I mention I have to bring my bass clarinet for 8 measures of music? What a magical, stunning rehearsal. Now let's go to work. What a magical, stunning work day. Now let's go home and practice. By the by, does anyone else drink coffee in a mug in their car to go? What a magical, stunning practice session. Going to bed. Most importantly, I need to find a reed. I'm not too worried about my hair. What is this? This reed sucks. Fuck. This is the one. Okay, I'm gonna put a bird on it so that I know it's the bird concert. I actually am going to draw a bird on it. Tomorrow there will be a concert no matter what. It's just a matter of where it will be. If it rains, we're gonna be inside the visitor center, which I've heard is meh. Planning a outdoor concert mid to late September is a little bit difficult to do. I still have no idea what I'm gonna wear because all of my sweaters and nice winter clothes are still folded and in my closet, but we'll figure it out. I don't know if you'll be able to see that, but I put a bird on my reed. just don't know where to go from here. I'm like way in. It was kind of a really nice drive. Oh, someone's calling me.
So as you saw, the concert location is absolutely gorge. Beautiful open space. However, the weather has changed and it is about to rain within our window of performance. So we're actually going back to the front all the way, like 8 miles back to the visitor center, where we will then hopefully do a concert.
I can't believe I saw Rancid this past week. It was literally like 6 days ago that I saw Rancid. It feels like it was 3 months ago.
My head feels like it's gonna roll off. I just had a concert, which you sort of saw a little bit of. I did a really bad job on that one. A friend of mine came. It was at the Parker River Wildlife Refuge in Newburyport. I'm currently at a Target in Danvers. And now I'm heading to Medford for a rehearsal. I don't want to call it Hell Week because it's like, booked and blessed, but like also booked and stressed. I've got my pumpkin spice. It is 6 o'clock at night. I definitely should not be drinking this. You know how I went through my entire like evening routine and morning routine and like the new way that I was gonna do things? You think I've done that since that video? No. Cheers! Hope your week is great. I'll see you in my next video.